name is Kantoma. I'm from GREYTEST Card Design Concept. This is actually my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number, or you can DM me, or you can even call me. Okay. So we now teach all of these softwares that you can see here on our Telegram platform. Okay, we'll guide you through the process until you attain mastery. As a beginner, we'll teach you until you attain mastery in all of these softwares. They are very much available on our YouTube channel. The softwares are available. Tutorials are actually available. We'll show you how to install, how to crack all of these softwares. Okay, amazing, right? Today I'm going to be taking you through an architectural working drawing on Autocad. Okay, I'll try as much as possible to cover a very wide range of that in this tutorial today. Okay, let's jump right into that. Okay, right now, okay, all you have to do is to making use of lines and making use of all my shortcut tools to achieve what I want to do this morning on this video. L enter, that is for your line. I click, I drag, I drop, I skip. O for offset. Okay, okay, before that I'm going to take another line. Okay, and then I'll offset this, let's say 6,230 for example. Okay, then I'll offset these, let's say 3 meters. Okay, TR for trim. Enter again. Take off all of this, and then I'm going to offset 115. Okay, I just want to use a very simple plan come up with this design. I'll be showing you how to do your elevations and your roof plan, and then I'm going to cover a whole lot of things using this plan. Okay, I'm going to fillet this. I'll type F and then I press enter. You can see that it's very much interactive. Once you type any key, you just discover a whole lot of tools that are related to that word which you have typed, and then you see it pop up. From there you can make your choice just in case you are lost. Okay, I want to trim this TR. You can see all the tools that are starting that will actually come up. So just in case you are lost at any point, you can just one thing about trim, you have to enter twice. Okay, it has some other functions that I may not explain in this video that you can use your trim for. Okay. Okay, I've done video like this, tutorial like this is very much available on my YouTube channel. You can actually visit that channel and then keep yourself busy. I've done structural designs, architectural working drawings, electrical and mechanical service drawings, structural detailing and design using numerous softwares. I've done road designs. Okay, so a whole lot of knowledge, a whole lot of things you can actually learn from us. Okay, I'm going to offset this. Let's see, 1000 let's say 1.5. Okay, right now I'm just kind of freestyling this. Okay, let me show you one function. I'm going to remove this, sorry. It just came to my mind. I'm going to offset these, let's see, 1005 again. See that I'm filleting this. I can offset this. Let's say I want to make this 75. You see, all that I've been using here is just your trim, your fillet, your line tool. Okay, right now okay, let me just trim and doing this. Extend this. Okay, now let's say I want to create a window for this. All I'll do is just to create the opening first. You can see one thing with AutoCAD is you must come and do your settings here. This is your object snap. Okay, there's what we call your polar tracking. All of those things have to be set in order for you to snap at every point. Okay, this is for your angle. This is, now all of these are very much important. Okay, they are very important. I'm not going to cover that in this video, but I've covered a lot of them on my YouTube channel. Visit that channel and actually keep yourself busy. Okay, you can see here we have our polar snap, grid snap, snap settings. If you click on that settings, you come to polar tracking, object snap. You can see I can snap at the endpoint, midpoint, center point, node, quadrant, intersection, extension, insertion, perpendicular, and the likes. Okay, just for example, if I take this off right now, you will discover that I will not be able to snap at any point anymore. Okay, you can see. But if I take it back, if I take that back, and I click on OK, you can see I can snap. Once you see a triangle is telling me that it's at midpoint, you can see it is written down below here. Okay, I can just drag this and then I'm at. Now I can just mirror this instead of snapping. Okay, if I pick from the center, you can see. Amazing, right? What you can do. Okay, let's say I want to use a window of 1200. I can just make this. I'm just trying to play with this thing right now. Okay, if you already like what you're seeing, why not give it a thumbs up? Subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly basis, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that are trying to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, make sure you come register with us. Okay, and then we'll guide you on designs using different softwares, showing you how you can actually come up with your design with different softwares. Okay, for 1 month, and then we'll teach you, we'll guide you. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. We have successfully trained over 1,000 people online. We basically teach online. Okay, if you want to learn as an individual, we take you for 25,000. You want to learn in a group platform where we have people who teach, we take you for a token of 5,000. Amazing, right? And then you are actually having the opportunity to learn so many softwares at the same time. Okay, take advantage of this lockdown, okay, and do something positive with your time. Okay, you can see I have created my window opening. Now I'm going to mirror this here, but before that let me just try and see if I can, let me create a window here, since this is will be like our toilet and bathroom. I'm going to make it the window here is going to be 600. Okay, so I'm going to, now there are different patterns, you can use any other pattern to actually achieve your result. Okay, all we are after is the result. Okay, so there are different ways you can actually use to come up with the same result. Okay, but I'm just trying to make use of this for you. Okay, so I'm going to mirror this. Now when I mirror, you can see amazing, right? AutoCAD is actually easy. AutoCAD is actually fun. I love AutoCAD because with AutoCAD I just feel myself, you know, being in control of what I'm doing. It's different from every other software like the Revit architecture, the ArchiCAD, the SketchUp, Chief Architect. Okay, all of those softwares, you know, sometimes when you just uh, bring in your plan, you know, it's just give you your 3 dimension and so many things. But here you actually are in control of everything. You do your design, it gives you just the way you want it to be, just the way you imagine it, so you are in total control of what you're doing, okay, of what you want here on AutoCAD. Okay, right now I'm going to create our doors, and I'm going to offset these at 900. Now I want the size of this door to be 900. So okay, so if I okay, so this is my door. Okay, so but then let's assume that I just want this to be more like a room and parlor self-contained. I can just take this off, and then I can just create an opening somewhere. I can just create an opening, let's see, somewhere here. Please do not penalize me, I am just trying to explain some things. I'm not doing anything really professional right now. Okay, so let's say I just want something like this. Now I want to show you a little trick that I use, okay, to achieve my work easier and faster without stressing myself. I don't need to start creating everything all over from the scratch. Okay, a lot of questions have been coming. How do I create my layers? How do I insert layers? Now I want to give you something like a shortcut on how to achieve your job very easy and faster. Okay, so right now I'm going to divide my screen into two. I'll go to viewport configuration. I'm going to click on 2 vertical. Okay, allow that to load. It's loading, it's loading. Okay, now I'm going to look for any existing architectural drawing that I have done before. Okay, I can just copy its properties. Okay, and then I'll paste, just like copy and paste. Amazing, right? I'll just copy the properties from that. Okay, let's say I want to be copying this property here. I'll just copy here, just we'll call this match property. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to take that tool back. I know most of us must have lost it. Okay, now I'll show you Okay, you can see list of tools that starts with that ME. So I'm going to click on match property. Okay, so I'll select the source. This is the source. I'll come here. This is destination. This is what I'm matching. Whoa, whoa, do you like what you're seeing? Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, come register with us and learn so many things. Okay, there's a whole lot you can learn from us. There's a whole lot we can show you. Okay, here you can see I'm going to highlight like this. It's very much different from your right to left. You can see if I try to right to left, it will, you can see everything is taking everything, but from left to right, look at now. Now it's the reason is because they perform two different functions, highlighting from right to left and to left to right. It's actually perform two different functions. Okay, now let's say I'm going to name this. You can see I can just copy from my existing drawing. Okay, or I'm going to show you something just in case you want to type in yourself. You can just type text. You can see text is out, or you can just use a shortcut. Okay, sorry, let me type this. I can just like living room. You can see this, I typed this myself. Okay, let's see, I want to match this. Oh, whoa, what's this? So I guess you understand what I said. Here I can just type T, the same thing as text, that's the shortcut. Okay, you can see if I drop this, I can just type in living room. So here, okay, let's say this, I want it to just leave this like this. Okay, I can match this property, this with this. You can see what I have. Okay, so here I'll just copy this. I'm going to edit that. Copy, type dd, dd edit, that's text edit. Okay, to edit a text, I can just type in my t slash bit, or I can type press enter. Okay, here I can make it toilets. Okay, then I'll type M, enter for move, and I shift this. A lot of things you can actually do with your AutoCAD environment. You can see here I have my windows already. DLI for your dimension. You want to check your dimension. You can see this window is actually 1200 size of window. So I'm going to move this window. You can see I highlighted from left to right. If I had highlight from right to left, it would have picked this. Okay, don't worry, I know some of you. Okay, this window is already 1200, so I'm going to just copy these and then paste it in other. Alright, now you can see I've placed all my windows, but let's assume I don't have this window. Okay, I have to create that. From this existing one, I can just, you can see it's a block. Once you can see they are all together, it's a block. As a block, they are not lines. Okay, it's a block. You can explode a block, X for explode, click and click enter. You can see it has exploded that for me. I can just draw a line across these, and then I can just type in 300, and then I take this off. Okay, and then I fillet this. And I fillet this. Then I trim this. Okay. Okay. So I can match this. You know, this is more like I'm just creating a new window. So right now, how do I make this now a block? Okay, all I have to do is just to type in my B for block. Okay, I can just type window, just name it something. Let's say window 9 for example. I already have some other windows. I don't want it to replace that for me. I'll just select an object, and then I'm going to highlight this and I click enter, and then I'll come here and I'll click OK. You can see now this is already now a block. Okay, amazing, right? What you can actually use your AutoCAD for. AutoCAD is an interesting software. I find it more interesting than any other software. I don't know why. I find it very interesting because I enjoy using it. I can now if I click on this, okay, now just came to my mind, okay, let me just create a kitchen maybe around here. I'm just going to mirror this. It's going to be a very small kitchen, for example. Just mirror this, and then I'm going to take this off, and then just copy this, just like a student room or something. Okay, so since this is a kitchen, okay, let me just leave this window the way it is. Okay, just going to be a very small plan. Okay, here let me place my doors. You can see I already have an existing door. You can create your own door. Okay, sorry, this is door 3. Pick a 900 door. Let me pick this. Aha. So this is a door. Okay, now I'm going to create the let's say we have a roof here, or let me just indicate that this is a veranda. Okay, Okay, now this is my plan. I'm going to create the roof plan. So I'm going to use PL, which is polyline. Just going to trace. Now we have different kinds of roof. Okay, we have the hip roof, we have the gable roof, we have the lean-to roof. So it depends on the kind of roof you want to actually use. Right now, you see I just trace the shape of the building. Okay, so to have my fascia, I'm going to offset this 600. Press enter, set it. Okay, now I'm going to take it at angle 45. Okay, here I'll take this at angle 45. Take this at angle 45. 1 3. This is angle 45. Okay, for those of you that may not understand, I don't know, I have explained this in one of my video, why angle 135 is the same thing as angle 45. Okay, it's actually the same. Extend this. Okay, we'll take this line straight. I'm just trimming this right now. Okay, oh my god, so we have gotten our roof plan. Let's see, I want to draw my front elevation. Okay, I'm going to use XL, which is construction line. You can see what I'm doing. It's very much easy. I'm just freestyling right now. Okay, you can see that AutoCAD is actually interesting. You are in charge of what you're doing. You don't it's not like other softwares. Here you are creating everything yourself. Okay, you are creating everything yourself here. But you can see I've given you a shorter way. Once you already have existing one, you can just, brother, just be copying and be pasting. It's allowed. Okay. Okay. Okay, offset. Let's say 350. Take another offset of 150 for my German floor. Okay, take another offset of 3 meters for my height, the height of the building. Okay, then my windows are here. We are only going to be seeing this window, we are going to be seeing this window, we are going to be seeing this door. Okay, so I'm going to offset 900. And then I take it again, 600 for my size of window. I know some of you are lost already, but don't worry, I'm going to find you. Okay, don't worry, everything will fall in place now. You're going to like it, I promise you. If you're a beginner, don't worry, you can come and register with us, and then will guide you, show you how to come up with your design. Sorry, my system is actually even slow. I don't know what's happening. I guess it's loaded so many things right now. Don't worry. Okay, I'm going to take this off. I guess I have a door around here. I'm not sure until I check. Okay, I have. Okay, now I'm going to take this off. Take this off. Take this off. Okay, now I'm going to trim. TR, I enter. Select this. Take this off. Oh, I showed you how to highlight from left to right. It's interesting, right? It's different from your right to left. Select this. Take all of this off. Delete these. I'm going to trim these. Okay, I think we are almost there. We are not there yet. Okay, I'm going to trim. Take this off. Take this off. Okay, I think everything now is in place. All I have to do is to move this. Move it down. Sorry, this is Nigeria. I have to be checking my battery. It's very important. Okay, so this is what I have as my front elevation. So in this video, I'm only going to be stopping at this level. On my next video, I'll be showing you the sections. Okay, but here I'll try as much as possible to place my windows. As you can see, I already have existing window, right? I told you you can create all of this from what I've shown you, and then some of these things you don't need to start creating them. Just copy and paste. It's allowed, bro. It's allowed. Copy and paste is allowed. Okay, you just copy and paste it. Paste it. Whatever. March. You can see what I'm doing. Everything is falling in place gradually. And by the time I finish now, you not like it. Oh, you're going to like it, and I'm sure you like it. Promise you that. I'm just going to copy a door. I'm a copycat. I can copy anything. Okay. Here we have a door here. Wow. You can see everything is falling in place. I don't like this kind of roof. This is not what we will use. So I'm going to be placing the one with the concrete fascia. I know some of you like that kind of roof. You like it, right? Don't worry, I'm going to give you what you like. Where are you? Well, seems like I've been using this kind of roof lately. No, this is not what I want to use. Where are you now? Perfect. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, if you like what you're seeing, why not like this video? Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to my channel. It's actually free. Just click on that red button that you see down below this video. Click on it, okay, and then you have subscribed already. As easy as that. Okay, yeah, it's very easy. And then click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like these on the weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that are trying to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, so you can see all that I've been doing here is just copy and pasting. Okay, and it's actually allowed. Okay, it's actually allowed. All that you're looking for is the end result. Okay, that's the end result. Okay, there you can actually create all that you want. All that you want can be created. You can create them yourself. You can create all that you want yourself. Okay, so this is actually my front elevation, or I'm going to put okay, propose approach. So let me just show you how you can place your 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 roof to that. Okay, so there are so many things you can actually achieve with your AutoCAD. AutoCAD is one software that most softwares still run back to. Okay, maybe for little adjustment and so many other things. So the knowledge of AutoCAD is very important. It's very important. Honestly, try as much as possible to attain mastery in AutoCAD. Okay. Make sure that you stay safe, and make sure that you actually stay blessed. Okay. You can see my battery is telling me that I should stop. Thank you very much and stay safe.